Hey, this is Carol DenHartog at Amazing Business Results, and today we're going to talk about setting up holidays inside of Zoho People. So inside of Zoho People, we do have holidays because it is likely that within your organization, you have a set number of holidays that people are able to take off without using any of their leave time. So they don't need to use PTO or any other type of leave to have this day off and paid. So what we're going to do is navigate on the left-hand side to time off. And the first thing you're going to see here is holidays. So it'll list any holidays if you have any set up already, or we can add our own. This is something that Zoho doesn't have preset things of already. So you will have to start from scratch and create your own. So we're going to click add in the upper right-hand corner. And then from here, we're able to create our holiday. So for example, we can do Thanksgiving. And then you're going to select the date that it's for. So we can go to November, and then you can have it for a full day, first half of the day, or second half of the day. If this holiday is only applicable for certain people or roles or designations, then you can set that up here. And you can also add a description if you'd like. Here you can have a number of days that a reminder email will be sent out. So let's say 1 week before, so 7 days before, on November 20th, an email will be sent out to my employees reminding them, hey, Thanksgiving's coming up. You don't have to work this day. The last option is reprocess leave applications based on this added holiday. So what this is going to do is if I have put in PTO for the week of Thanksgiving, if I click this button, it is going to reprocess my leave request and it'll give me back the time that I was using PTO for on the day of Thanksgiving. So that way, if people are out during that time, they're not having to use their PTO for the holiday because they already get that day off. And then from there, you'll just click submit. And now you have a new holiday. So people don't have to put in for the holiday. They just like with PTO, they'll have to put in a request and it'll have to be approved. You do not have to do that for holidays. These are preset days that your employees get off and they are already being paid for them. If you guys get stuck with this, if you need help building out your system or if you need help with training, I would be happy to do that and meet your team. So just reach out to us and we'll be happy to help.